Go Kicks YouTube channel back in Santa Clarita. Dang, it's packed as hell over here. Holy cow, look at that line. What's going on here? All right, we'll start with the 10, 10 and a half, and then we'll look around. Start with some Jordan Jumpman Pros. $70. Pretty solid deal. Not a fan of the all black on that one. Usually I love all black. That one ain't working, but $70, not bad. Zion 2s. Freaking $60, definitely cheaper than the outlets as well as the retail stores on that one. Wow, I like that colorway too. Do got Jordan Retros, $120 for those. We're gonna see plenty of those here. System 23s down to $25. These retail for what, like 80 or something? Maybe 100. Air more up-tempo, aka up-tempo 96s, going for 80. Not a fan of that colorway. I'm glad to see those here though. Air Max 90s going for 60. $80 for Jordan 37s. Air Max 97s going for 80. Why not .6s going for 70. Metcon 8s, the last gen, $60 for those. Dude, if you want a deal, look at that, $60 for the undefeated Jordan 37s. I'm gonna be honest with you, it's in the wrong box, but I would play stupid and see if they'll just give that to you. $60 for those. Holy cow. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen for undefeated stuff, right? $80 for Jordan 37 lows. If you guys saw my compilation of 2023, if you guys saw my compilation of the best of 2023 finds, I grabbed mine for $35. But yeah, $80 for those. That's probably the going rate though. Size 10 seems to be the biggest size. Moving on to the size 10 and a halves. I think these are 10 and a half. This is a Presto right here. Well, they don't make these in half sizes. These are down to $80. That's a pretty dope colorway, to be honest. GT Jumps. I think this is the one that I saw for like $30. It was a size 11. I was wondering if I should have bought them. 80 for those. LeBron's right here. LeBron lows go for 70. We saw these cheaper at a lot of we've seen these cheaper at a lot of the retail stores. Another one of these. Said I would probably see a lot of these. $120 still. Got Witnesses right here going for 50. HJKO Jordan 1s. $110 for those. Got some LeBrons down here. What are these? No, why are they trying to get 2 bills for these? Right, these are dope, but why are they trying to get 2 bills? LeBron 20s right here. Damn, forget you guys, man. All right, spent a good amount of time on the 10, 10 and a halves. Let's take a look at some of the apparel. What are these? What are these? Are these like soccer jerseys? Like just generic soccer jerseys? $30, normally $75. Who's paying $75 for those? They do have a bunch of different sizes, a bunch of different colorways. Nike SB. Pullover right here. This is interesting. The Fragrance of Shanghai. Is that one of the skate shops? I don't know. I'm so confused. I don't know what the hell that's about, but $40. $40 SB stuff. Usually very expensive. This feels very, very premium. That's nice. That's hella nice. Got Clippers gear right here. $15 for Jordan Clippers t-shirts. Got All-Star gear right here. NBA All-Star gear. What do these go for? These are mediums right here. $60. Does say All-Star Basketball 2022. UCLA hoodie right here. That's a Nike. $25 normally. $60. Size medium hoodie. That's just a one-off. Nike Realtree pants right here. There's no camo on it, so how's it Realtree? I don't know. But $20 for these. These are all smalls. Normally, what's $55? This is a separate one right here. Running sweats, I guess. But yeah, normally 42 down to 20. Extra small though. Dang, extra small. Oh, and they got these in small as well as the extra small, I guess. So there's an XL too. Okay. Jordan Flight t-shirts right here. These are the oversized ones, so not for me. But yeah, I forgot to show the price. I'm so dumb. But yeah, the price on these bad boys, $20. Yeah, that's like way wide. Lakers colorway. Hoodies right here go for 25. Normally 60. Got a UCLA hoodie right here. See? So some of their stuff says Nike, some says Jordan. 25, normally 65 for these. Puffy jacket right here. 2 bills down to $80. That is a small though. Oh, they got them in XL. Got one here in large as well, so plenty of sizes. Oh, this is a dope. It's like a bomber jacket. $250 down to $80. Wow, under $100, that's what's up. To the size 11s, and I swear that one was mismarked, the one that I saw a while back, for $30. They're back to $80. And they got a bunch of them, they're all marked $80. The omnipresent Jordan 36 lows. These red ones, we've seen these everywhere. Is it infrared ones? They go for $80. Jordan ADG 4 golf shoes right here. $80 for those. Just Forces still go for $170. Holy cow. Travis Scott 4 colorway. Been seeing these at, I want to say Ross or Burlington, right? And I bet you they're more than here. Yep. More than here. $60. They've been having these for $70 at Ross and Burlington. $80 for these. These are the ones that I found for $32 a while back. Matches all my Lakers gear. Checking out the size 12 Pro Strongs going for $50. Jordan 6 infrareds. White infrareds, $160 for these bad boys, and this is a size 12. It's below retail. These were what, 2 bills, so about 20% off. Someone left one of these hanging right here, $30. It's a nice pullover. It is a Real Tree collab. Material is just super nice. For $30, that's hella nice, dude. That's normally what, $60, $70 retail. Zoom Freak 5, we've been even seeing these at the discount stores. Size 14, go for $60. 13 right here, Air Force 1 High, go for $60. Jordan 1 Low in a mediocre colorway, $100. Size 18, what the hell? Back to the 13s, still got some ADG 4 Golf right here, go for $160. That was me almost sneezing, but not really. Street Gatos. These are pretty clean, dope colorway. I'm a huge fan of that colorway. $25, hella cheap. Cosmic Union, I've been seeing these for way cheaper at the regular outlets. Go for $70 here. Size 15s right here. The Geodomes go for $80. Vaporfly Next Percents go for $100. Size 15. And I'm a huge fan of Jordan Hydro Slides. Do got these here. These are the 8s. And someone did give me a heads up that they saw these here. $35. They only have size 12. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know if I'd buy them though, because I just got way too much stuff, and I keep buying more stuff, and I need to stop at one point, and I need to chill. But that's a hell of a price for those, because those go for what, $58. $30 for these slides right here. Then they all got the Air Max. These are Air Max 1 slides. But yeah, these are $40 for these. These are pretty dope too. Yeah, the Air Max 1 size, but they have size what, 13, size 8, size 7. They got a couple sizes on those. They only have size 12s on those. I don't think I got the smaller sizes. Jordan 37s right here. These are the mids, going for $80. They got Jordan 6 infrared low golf. That's a mouthful, $150 for those. LeBron 2s go for $100. Trainers right here with an interesting colorway, $60 for those. Size 9 Blazers go for $90. Y'all crazy. Cosmic Unity 70. Zion 1s. Kind of like a Miami Dolphins colorway I never seen before, $60 for those. Metcon Turbo 2s go for $70. Got Air Flight 95s down to $80. ISPA Mind Bodies. ISPAs have like the weirdest names, also the weirdest designs. But yeah, $80 for those. On feet, do got some Jordan 3 Pure Whites. For the most part, they're white. They're not 100%. They're older. But these come out 2017, 2018, something like that. Then went with kind of a Niners, Bulls colorway, I guess. But yeah, shorts, hoodie, that's usually my thing. Checking the women's section real quick. Size 11 women's was at 9.5 men's. $150 for those. Size 13 men's, 14 and a half women's, $100 for the Jordan 2s right there. Size 11 and a half, Vapor Max 2023 Flyknit for 100. 11 and a half more Jordan 2s. We're gonna see a plethora of those. 120 for those. $100 for those. That's a size 12 women's. What are these? The Sabrinas. 11 men's, 12 and a half women's. $60. $60 for Sabrinas. That's a hell of a deal. That's a hell of a deal right there. Wow. Jordan 2s, size 10 and a half women's, $100. All right, checking some of the regular sizes for the women. Zoomfly 5s. Damn, these look hella comfy. You got Zoom X on the Zoomflies now? Oh, damn, I didn't know that. I did not know that. $80, that is a bargain for Zoom X right there. That is a size 8. Got some Dunks right here. Go for $120. Got some slides right here. The Jordan Hex slides going for $30. Oh, I was like, what Jordan 11s? Yeah, the Comforts going for $60. More of these. I can't believe so many Vapor Max Flyknits are here. This is a 7.5, going for $80. Oh, go for $100, my bad. Jordan 2s right here, $120 for those. $80 for the Air Max 97s. Icons go for $60. Comfort, we got some Comfort ones right here, down to 70. These are all 7.5s. I didn't know they made these women's. I thought these were all men's. But yeah, 110 for these Jordan 1 low white cements or black cements. But yeah, do got these. $110 for these. A 6.5. Got some 8s right here, going for $160. Invincible runs right here. Invincible Run Flyknits, $80 for these. Remember, these are like $180 sneaker right here. Super comfy. That's a dope colorway too. Yeah, $80, not bad. All right, do got my nephew and my kiddo here. He wants these. Look at this Air Force One platform. $25. He did get this in the women's section. I've told you guys plenty of times. I checked the women's section, all that stuff. What the hell? Then he's getting some Air Force One alternatives. He said these are cool. I was like, whatever, dude. $25. Just a steal. Pretty much free. I'll grab it for him. $25 cheap. All right. Gives me a few extra minutes. I gave him my debit card. I was like, hey, pay for it. And then I can still look around. See if there's any decent apparel. There's always apparel steals here. It's just like a Hawaiian shirt. Just like a dress shirt. But yeah, $30. These are normal, like $80, $90. That's a little too much on the back right there. I've seen the MMW stuff somewhere. Where have I seen that? Where have I seen that? It's a collab with someone, Matthew M. Williams. I don't know, but $60. Normally $150? $150 for a t-shirt? What the hell? $60 sale price here, I guess. Got Tech Fleece right here, XL. $60 for the pants right here. SC hoodies right here. $25. That's just a one-off. This the newer Tech Fleece? I think this is the newest Tech Fleece. $60 for these bad boys right here. Feels very, very premium. Yoga pullover right here going for $30. More of these, and these are a lot size large. $155 down to $60. Can't really complain with that deal. Got a large double XL right there. Yo, what's this? This is a hella nice jacket. This is a therma jacket right here. $40 normally, $110. If this was a medium, I might grab it. This is just hella premium. Wow, that is hella nice. I like that one. Got a flight hoodie right here. This is a small and it's $92 down to $30. I want to see if I can find that jacket. Oh, this is a large too. Dang it, I need a medium. All right, I'm done. All right, first of all, this is the Real Tree stuff right here. We saw that earlier. And it's a pullover. It's not a jacket. I thought it was a jacket. It's black, so I couldn't tell. They do have a medium right here, and it is nice. I just can't do it. I just need a jacket. I'm either a jacket or a hoodie. I don't do pullovers. Yeah, $39.99 for the Nike Golf right here. You got a Tech Fleece jacket right here down to $60. This is a small. That one is a small. And you got this thing right here. This is pretty dope. $25 for this hoodie right here. Pretty nice, 25 bucks. Okay. And they got some of this older tech fleece right here, or tech pack jackets right here, 60 for this one. Clay one go for 60 as well. And they got this weird yoga thing right here, $30 for that thing. All right, I think we're done, you guys. I think we're done. Kiddos are almost done paying for their stuff. We're gonna get the hell out of here, man. Get the hell out of here. All right, apparently I'm on something because this is a jacket. I'm so dumb. But it is one of the real tree things, I believe. But yeah, I just did try to scan it. I didn't see any mediums. God dang it. All right, 25 bucks. Got some pretty much free sneakers for this fool. All right, cool. We're out. Make sure you guys subscribe, all that good stuff. I don't know, whatever. Bye. Let's go. 21 seconds. 21 seconds. That's the goal. 21 seconds. 21 seconds, you guys. That's the goal. Waited 2 hours. Yeah. So they better have a ton of fun, dude. Holy crap. 2 freaking hours. They at it now. They at it now. Got stuck in traffic, fool. We had MB2 out in Silmar. Pretty legit spot. Not necessarily cheap though. I think I spent some outlet Jordans to be here for my kiddo and his cousin.